I thought I'd make a video out of a question that was asked to me, why I like Lordstown Motors. It's not that I like the company. I just think that the company has so much potential if they can deliver on an electric vehicle. That's just my opinion. At the end of the day, none what I make is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes, I guess. But I make videos because I enjoy them. People watch them because they want to find some as much information on the company as possible, or they're just bored and watch YouTube videos on a consistent basis. Who knows why people watch videos? People watch videos. Well, most people watch videos for information, either information or to be entertained. I'm not really here to. I mean, I tried to provide information. I'm trying to provide my insight. But why do I like this stock so much? Well, because it has a low market cap. The company raised almost $1 billion when they went public, and right now they're under $1 billion. That's a reason number one. Number two is they have a low float. It's not too bad. It's sitting at 180 million. So it looks like they finished the deal with Foxconn, and the outstanding shares has increased to 180.55 million. They have a float of 110 million. And Foxconn got it at $6.89. The stock is trading at 504, 508 after hours. I think in the $5 is a good buying opportunity, but and what we're waiting for is some positive news or catalyst for the market to come in to pump the stock up. So we'll see what happens moving forward, but I'm bullish on Lordstown. I think that long term, if they can deliver a truck, if they can get into production with Foxconn, if everything works out, if they flip a profit, I think the upside is massive. But that's if, right? There's a lot of ifs in this. So it's not like I like Lordstown. I just think that it has a lot of potential if they can deliver on a truck. I think that sentiment is really negative right now, and if they can deliver on a truck, if they can start production, if they can start selling vehicles, I think that the stock has a lot of room to run to the upside. But that's just my opinion, and at the end of the day, we'll see what happens. We'll see where the market pushes Lordstown. I'm just a participant in the market. I'm not here to, I can't pump the stock. I don't have that much money, but so that's like my reasoning behind it. It's I would rather buy Lordstown than, let's say, Nikola. So, and the Foxconn deal is huge. I mean, that it opens a lot of potential for Lordstown. Now they're not a manufacturer anymore. They can literally partner with. They can do different strategies. Like they can go with Foxconn to China to open to start selling the electric trucks in China. That's a possibility. We'll see what happens. So Lordstown Motors, they on the Twitter page, as you can see, they have a little video clip of them driving their truck in on the roads. So a beta truck, beta 4. So it's a working truck. It's on the road. It's driving around. It works. Not rolling up down the hill. So just saying. I mean, the short sellers are saying that, not the short, well, I guess, it kind of short sellers saying that, this truck will never be viable for the roads. It will never be viable to customers. It's basically a scrap heap, and they'll never bring it into full production. And the stock's going down to $1 or $2 or whatever they want to put the price target at. So, It could go down to $2, but the company would have to come out and say, we have to scrap this project and start a new project. Yeah, if that was a scenario, I think the stock would go down to $2. Or if they came out and say that we're not gonna come out with production until like the end of 2022, yeah, that could be a big hit to the stock too. So that could bring it down to $3, maybe $2 in the short term. So yeah, there's a lot of risk in the stock market, but I think the biggest reason for the delay is because of the Foxconn deal. They're probably working out a deal with Foxconn, and they realize that they don't have to push the truck out too early, and they can wait for the Foxconn to come in to help them with ramping up production. So we'll see what happens moving forward. Lordstown today had a little massive pump early in the day, went up to 532 and then pulled back to around 504. We'll see where that moves forward. Moving forward. So yeah, it is what it is. It sucks, but $5 it seems like a pretty reasonable price. But my opinion only, not financial advice. I'm always going to bring that up because I know the stock market in general is very, very, very dangerous. So we'll see what moves forward. The market today was really green and then pulled back a little bit near the end of the day. Not too much. Reddit chatters hits EA stock. That doesn't make it a meme stock. GM and GE teamed up to develop EV magnets. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't really have too much. I don't think there's a lot of upside from Hearsay's legendary investor, but US stocks could rise in 2022 if earnings are good. Well, isn't that obvious? Anyways, that's it for the video. I don't really have too much to say in today's video. Wow, I got like another 40 seconds. Shiba did pull back today. Shiba, pulled back a little bit. It went from like extremely overbought to like at RSI at 80. I think it's gonna pull back a little bit more. I think it's gonna pull back under 2 cents. I think at under 2 cents, I think I might buy a little bit more Shiba. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I think it's gonna go a lot higher than this, so we'll see what happens moving forward. But I am looking to buy a little bit more Shiba, especially if it pulls back below 2 cents. But we'll see. Only time will tell. I think it's probably gonna pull back a little bit, consolidate, and then when Robinhood announces that they're going to be launching the Shiba on their platform, I think there's going to be another run. But who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is pull back and then going to run forward. But I think 2 cents is I'm gonna buy a little bit more of this. We'll see what happens. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to, and have a great day. Bye.